this is the first bedroom. It's still not finished, but almost finished. So, this is going to be the living room. I get the ceiling fans up,
Yeah.
and most of the lights are up. This is going to be the kitchen.
With those cabinets.
Yeah, in operation, getting the cabinets fixed. The light. Well, you might not want to get that.
Okay.
And this is the biggest bedroom.
Yeah.
Closet.
All right.
I have still got to go down the walls on this where the white is stripped down. I haven't done the second coat on this yet, but it's coming together. Did you get the haters?
No, that's great. All right.
We got heat.